I got one. Yeah, Spanish. Sweet. All right. Oh, man. Huh? Yeah. Dude, it just kept taking my line. And it just came off. It felt good.
Yeah. They talk about 5, 6 here.
It ripped my leader.
I haven't been able to connect. Where did it break them?
Oh, you got it. You got it. Watch out, don't slip.
How are we gonna get it up? How are we gonna get it in?
I don't know how we're gonna get it. Come over here. Good job, man. It's a nice one. You got it. You went there and got it.
You didn't even fight that hard.
You got him right on the lip. You gonna keep it?
Yeah. I don't know if it's not gonna fit, is it?
Don't make it fit. That thing's longer than your body. I'm gonna come out with like 10 jags. Is that cool?
That's what I'm trying to do.
You gonna put all of them on the stringer? Oh! No way! Yeah, I think it came off the fish. Cause I saw it come off.
Right.
And then it got snagged on the rock. Sure enough. That thing's fat. I think it's a big smack.
Yeah.
All right. That one's even bigger. Oh my gosh.
I think it's huge.
My arm's getting tired.
Huh?
My arm's getting tired.
Yeah.
I think. I caught it way out there. They love this lure. I got it. Hey, check this out. Look what he was eating.
Oh yeah, those little.
Glass minnows. You got it, you got it. Don't let it get in the rocks. Don't want to come up.
I'm tired.
There it is. That's bigger than your first.
Can you just stab it anywhere? There we go.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
This thing is huge, man.
Dude, that thing. This thing's tired of me out. There you go, there you go.
All right.
I'll send you all the footage. So it's basically, you know, I got rotating all the way around the jetty and stuff.
Man, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, I think you need one of those.
Yeah, there's definitely Hugans plastered.
Oh yeah.
So there's a shot when I come around the jetty or whatever, so I can kind of see the harsh conditions. Just a little spice for your channel, you know?
That's, man, dude, you didn't have to get wet. We need to start bringing towels.
We need a gas. I'll buy a gas.
Dude, you didn't see that big school of jacks over there?
I missed it.
With all the birds?
I cast
That's why everybody was, right when I hit the water, it freaking bit it.
How many is that thing? Three.
Three.
Last one. Congrats, guys.
All right. It's huge.
I'll see you later. Freaking slab.